Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I will show you how to install Bkash in Wordpress. For that, when you log in Wordpress, you can see here plugin. We will click on plugins and we can see here three options. So we will choose add new. So I will click on add new. So after click on add new, we can see here search bar. So we'll type Bkash. I already typed Bkash, so I will click on Bkash. So when you search Bkash, you will see payment gateway Bkash for WooCommerce. So if you are not installed it, so we can see here option install now. So we will click on install now. It will be installed. After that, we have to active it. So I will active it. So when you click on active, we can see here in install plugin our payment gateway Bkash for WooCommerce is activated. So now it is ready for use. That's how we can install Bkash in WordPress. Thank you.